Creating tons of carbonated water with the SodaStream Terra. It could not be simpler. Simply pop it back open, flip this out, insert the tank, slap it down, back out, and then all you do is fill your bottle up to the water line, pop it in, and push the button. In this case, we're probably going to do about 3 runs. But you can do up to 5 if you want even more carbonation in your water. And then for flavoring this time around, we are going to use some of the new bubbly drops. In this case, it is raspberry. So simply pop it out, measure up 2/3 of a tablespoon, dump it in, and we have delicious raspberry carbonated water.
This thing sucks.
This is my old SodaStream CO2 canister. I want to get a new SodaStream that will be able to utilize the stainless steel bottle as opposed to the plastic. Old SodaStream, plenty of air. New SodaStream that fits the new stainless steel bottle. Pushing, 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 no air.